Hi, I'm Judy Weiniger with the Weiniger Group, and I'm here today at one of my beautiful listings to give you a personal tour. I can't wait to show you what makes this home so special. Here are my top 4 reasons why I love this home and why you should come see it in person. Number 1, easy living. The main living space includes perfect entertaining spaces with high ceilings and lots of natural light. I love the soaring 2-story ceiling height in the family room with its stone fireplace. It connects to the open concept kitchen with granite center island, which is a great gathering space. Number 2, backyard oasis. This home is a magnet that will attract lots of visitors. Take a dip in the gracious heated gunite pool or host a barbecue on the multi-level deck. Join in the fun and hop into the hot tub. Or sit, read, and relax in your gazebo overlooking the pool. Number 3, location. Where you live matters, and this neighborhood is in the highly desired Greenwood Meadows development. Located on the west part of town, you are 8 minutes to downtown Warren with the shops and 2 supermarkets, King's and Acme. You are also just 3 minutes to cute Martinsville, where you can go to the bank, drop a letter at the small local post office, or grab an ice cream cone at Gabriel's Fountain. It's also convenient, just 2 miles to Route 78, exit 33, and less than a mile to the beautiful mountain park to walk your dog and enjoy the spacious country living. Number 4, great schools. This home is in the Angelo Tommaso School District, known to locals as ALT. All of the Warren students go to Warren Middle School and then off to Watchung Hills Regional High School. For those that have interest in private school, the renowned Pingree School is just a half a mile away. Don't you agree? This incredible home has so much to offer. Give me a call for your own private tour.